I tell you, sneaky cat, smash, sneaky cat, smash.
Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, we are back working on the 3 Hellcats today. Rigo's, mine, and Kevin's is back there. So, I need to clean this place up. It is a freaking mess. We've just had so much going on lately. And usually I like to have my workspace real clean, but there's just been so much going on. And it got below 32 degrees last night, so we didn't want to leave any car outside. So we brought Kevin's in back here. And it is just a mess. It's crammed in here. So what I'm going to do is clean all of this up first before I get started. I did get this brake going. I just got word from Jacob that the calipers are done, so I'm going to pick those up tonight. So I got the brake line mounted back up. Just tossed the rotor on to get it out of the way. I'm waiting for brackets to come in for my sway bar because I guess I lost those actually. So I'm waiting for brackets to come in on those. Did get some goodies here. Oh, that's a necessity. Set that over there. Rigo's bumper support brackets are in, so we can get his bumper mounted today. And the best package of all, warning. Swapping your vehicle's factory PCM may generate a trouble code that may not appear. We don't give a shit. Rigo's PCM is back from Diablo. It is unlocked. We are ready to go with his. I did order my wheels for the Hellcat today, so those should be in a couple days. So we're going to get this place cleaned up, and then we're going to get working on Rigo's bumper, get the brake line on this side mounted up, get this place cleaned up and ready to go. So we are cleaned up and good to go. Oh, look at that. Thank you, Rigo. So, it's not perfect, but it's close. But it's pretty cleaned up. Got some coolant over here, spare parts in the box, spare bolts and stuff like that. But yeah, kind of got a little mess over here, but that's all about to go on Rigo's car. But yeah, just cleaned up all the trash and all the tools I had laying out. Now my toolbox is a mess. But I did get the rest of the tires. They're just in the other garage. Like I said, I did order the wheels. If you guys want to see the interior, if you haven't seen it. All put back together. Cleaned up by Kennedy. Thanks, Kennedy. But yeah, so these are they're the leather on the outside and the Alcantara suede down the middle. Looks pretty clean in there. Pretty excited with it. You never realize how uncomfortable Kirkies are until you sit back in a Hellcat seat. I mean, these things are huge, they're plush, they're really heavy, but they are super comfortable. You can't beat them. But that versus this piece of aluminum, that's a little different type of seat, but saves a lot of weight. So my car is essentially done. Like I said, the calipers come back today. I got the brake lines back on both sides. Just had to put the calipers on and mount the sway bar up, and then once the wheels come in, that's pretty much it. Put the wheels and tires on and she's good to go. And now we're about to put Rigo's bumper on. So I started by putting these little plastic shrouds back on. They're just held down by a bunch of plastic clips. Nothing fancy. So got those mounted back on. So now we're going to put Rigo's actual bumper back on. If you're wondering what these wires are for, I still just need to pull them through the cabin area. They're from the vacuum line. It's tapped underneath the blower here somewhere, but it runs into the car and it would turn the methanol switch on, or actually turn the pump on when it would hit a certain PSI. So once 6 pounds of boost, once it would feel 6 pounds of boost, it would turn the methanol on. So we just need to pull these wires out and actually hook up the vacuum line to the booster pump, because now the booster pump will only run when it's under vacuum. So we just need to pull that wire through. And we did get his PCM back, so we'll plug that in today also. And like I said, we are scheduled for a tune on Friday with Tim. Should be a really fun video. hopefully everything goes as planned. If not, we'll adjust and fix the car from there. But hopefully everything goes as planned and everything goes smoothly and we make some power in the Camel Cat. So let's get this bumper on. Alright guys, there's the OEM bumper support. So now we can actually mount the bumper. Alright guys, so as you can see, Rigo's bumper is back on. All good to go. Pow. Got the PCM back in there also. So his car is good to go. Like I said, on Friday we'll be tuning it. So, like I said, I just have to hook up the vacuum line to the booster pump in the back, which is really simple. And then his car is ready to tune. His PCM's back in. So I'm about to go pick up my brakes here in just a second on my way to the gym. And I'll put those brakes on tonight. And then I'll actually flash my PCM back to stock tonight. And I'll flash, or actually marry, the Diablo to Rigo's car tomorrow. And then what we'll do is we'll wait for a bass tune from Tim. He'll send us a bass file. And then on Friday, we'll start actually doing the logging and sending back and forth. So I've still got to go get some E85 to put in Rigo's car. So we'll probably do that Thursday, the day before. And then I need to get some pump gas into my car. With the calipers being done tonight, that means I can get them on tonight. So hopefully, like I said, I ordered the wheels today. So hopefully my car can be on the ground and running this week also, along with Rigo's. And Kevin's car, we still need to bleed the brakes. If you watched the latest video, we did the 15-inch Willwood conversion on his car. They look freaking tiny back there. So he's got the 15-inch Willwoods up front. Should cut a lot of weight up front, and then he's waiting on his 15-inch wheels to come in also. So yeah, we are just pretty much waiting on parts, as always. But Rigo's car is good to go. Everything is bolted back together. It's ready. Just need to marry the Diablo over, hook up the one vacuum line, and then just wait till Friday to get tuned. So we got plenty of time for that. And just waiting on the wheels for my car, and we're going to go get the calipers tonight. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, VanV39. And we got a lot of Hellcat builds going on up in here.